Welcome to Tidy Habits YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you hacks when cleaning your kitchen. Combine baking soda and vinegar to tackle tough stains on countertops and sinks. Sprinkle baking soda on the surface, then spray or pour vinegar over it. Let it fizz for a few minutes before scrubbing with a sponge or cloth. Cut a lemon in half and rub it on greasy surfaces, like the stove or exhaust fan. The natural acidity helps break down grease and leaves a fresh scent. Rinse with water and wipe clean. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and add a few tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Microwave on high for a few minutes until the mixture boils and the steam condenses on the walls. Wipe down the interior with a damp cloth. For greasy pots, pans, and dishes, add a few drops of dish soap to hot water and let them soak. This will loosen the grease and make scrubbing easier. For extra greasy items, use a mixture of dish soap and baking soda. Run a cycle with equal parts vinegar and water through your coffee maker to remove mineral deposits and buildup. Follow up with a couple of cycles of plain water to rinse it out thoroughly. Use non-gel toothpaste to polish stainless steel appliances. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth and rub it in circular motions. Wipe with a clean damp cloth and dry with a microfiber cloth for a shiny finish. If you have a lot of crumbs or debris on your kitchen floor, use a squeegee to push them into a dustpan. This method is especially effective on textured surfaces like tile or vinyl. Freeze vinegar in an ice cube tray and use the cubes to clean garbage disposal units. Drop a few cubes into the disposal, run cold water, and turn on the disposal. This helps to deodorize and clean the blades. Place kitchen sponges or scrubbers in the top rack of your dishwasher and run a hot water cycle. This will help kill bacteria and remove odors. Ensure sponges are thoroughly dry before using them again. For tough, hard water stains in the sink or on the faucet, use a pumice stone. Wet the stone and gently rub it on the stains. Be cautious not to use it on surfaces that might scratch easily. Remember these cleaning tips and tricks that you can use someday. We know you'll love this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified on our next cleaning tips.